Good morning to Anjan Chaudhary sir. Good morning to our beloved principal sir, and good morning to our departmental HOD, Mr. Shoham Bondopadhyay sir, and good morning to all my dear students from all the departments, irrespective of all the years you are there. So thank you for joining us for this session. I I hope that you will really enjoy this session. So before starting the session, I will request our principal sir to give his welcome speech. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Anirudh sir. Very good morning to all present here, especially Mr. Anjan Chaudhary, founder Skillfinity. Once again, in our family, sir.
Thank you, sir.
HOD of Computer Science and Technology, BC Roy Polytechnic, and my dear students. As we all know that situation or the present scenario is very tough in the sense that college without student or students without college. It is a very tough to being a teacher, or I also believe that it is a very tough to being a student. Without students, educational institutes are just nothing to say on that one. But even if the situation is very worsen, we have to continue our groomings, our educations, our skill development, whatever it may be. All the enhancement activities have to be carried on. On this motto, we are trying to enable your skill towards the professional attitude, towards the understanding of the professional things clearly, quickly, and intelligently. I feel proud that Department of Computer Science and Technology arranged with the precious time of Mr. Chaudhary this type of program, and certainly I welcome all and hope that this particular program with this resource person, the students will be happily accept all the guidelines the sir will give you, because we have already some session with sir, and we are really I can say anything. I don't have any language that what we have to say about the sir. The students, especially the first year students, will get a new experience with Mr. Chaudhary. Thank you. We welcome sir once again.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you, Principal Sir, for your lovely welcome speech. I would like to introduce Mr. Anjan Chaudhary Sir. Most of our students know, but know him because we have already had two sessions with him during the lockdown.
Sir, you are mute.
Okay, sorry.
Your mic is off.
Sorry. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Principal Sir, for your lovely welcome speech. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Anjan Chaudhary Sir. Most of us know what he is, but as because there are some few students who are from first year, so I would like to introduce him with I will go through his profile a bit. So Mr. Anjan Chaudhary Sir, he has done his post-graduation in hospitality management and applied nutrition from Mumbai. He's a gold medalist. ISTD certified master trainer from Mumbai. He's a global master trainer, advanced from London, UK. He's a bootcamp certified from Future Value Retail, Mumbai. He's a senior trainer at NIRDPR, Government of Assam. He's a senior trainer, Assam Administrative Staff College, Guwahati. He's a senior training consultant, Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship. He is a senior impanel trainer for IIT Guwahati. Even he is a senior impanel trainer for AICTE South Zone. He is a recipient of the prestigious Vocational Excellence Award in the year 2015. He is carrying a work experience in training for more than 23 years. He has been training in government, non-government and PPP sectors that includes Oil India, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Principal Secretaries of Central as well as state brackets, police sources and professional training of various universities of Northeast India. First, he is the first Indian trainer to represent Indian pedagogy of skill training in London under UKIERI, which stands for UK India Education Research Initiative, in Plymouth College of Hospitality Studies, UK. He is the youngest newspaper columnist of the prestigious Assam Tribune to write series of columns since the past many years of the column Charisma Chronicle. So this is a small description of him. There are many other things which we can tell about him, but I don't want to waste his or our time. We are eagerly waiting to listen to him. Sir, we are going live in YouTube. Even many of our students are not able to join in Google Meet because we have restricted users. So they are watching us live in YouTube. So I'm handing over the session to you.
Thank you, Aniruddha sir. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, Aniruddha sir, Honorable Principal sir, and to all the faculty members present here, whom I know very, very closely, and BC Roy Engineering College, or the entire unit of BC Roy Polytechnic Pharmaceuticals, the entire unit of people whom I have met in the past 2 years. I could only say winters in the past 2 years only started with Durgapur. And I could never ever imagine 2021 wouldn't have been a beginning without Durgapur. 2019, 2020, 2019 from 19th of January, it's a remarkable date I'll never forget. 2020, 5th of January onwards, Durgapur has been an immense, beautiful place. Thank you so much, Aniruddha sir, to have allowed me to have an interaction with the students. And for the students, warm welcome to this webinar. And good morning, everybody. I would request students, if you can keep on muting and unmuting your videos, because kauke na dekhe to talk in the blank screen, it's like I'm a person from...
Excuse me, sir. So I request students, you can switch on your camera so that sir can view, sir can watch you all, because it is very, it is not at all comfortable to speak somebody who is not, whom we can't see. So I request all the students, at least you can switch on your camera, but don't mute until and unless sir is asking yourself to unmute yourself. Mute your speakers. Thank you, sir.
Camera and be comfortable the way you are. Man, barite ache ekdom bichanar upor lep gaye diye. I don't have any problems till the time you people are visible to me. Wonderful. I could get to see Sandeep Ghosh with us, Biplav Bishwas with us, and I would keep requesting people to please because you see, talking to a blank screen, and that too to a sensitive issue on professional enhancement techniques, it's like very difficult. I have somebody who's very good looking here, Shoykot Chatterjee, who somehow looks like me. I'm very happy. Shoykot Chatterjee has unmuted, and the rest of the other people must be thinking barite boshe shuye bichanaয় ঠান্ডার মধ্যে কোথায় আমি unmute করব. But however, you can, and there's no hassles there. But taking Rahul has unmuted the audio. We would request please mute your audios and keep unmuting your video so that we can talk back. Yeah, we have the beautiful Tias Naik here joining us. Tuhina has joined us. Suryan Roy has joined us. Be comfortable the way how you are. You don't have to really look back into the backgrounds, backgrounds and makeups and all presentation techniques. Nothing required. Well, good morning everybody, and making you all feel comfortable. Suryan Roy, okay, দেখে মনে হচ্ছে সত্যি দুর্গাপুরে ঠান্ডা পড়েছে। সত্যি এ তো ঠান্ডা, ওকে দেখে আমার ঠান্ডা লাগছে। Now, when we talk about professional enhancement techniques and professional etiquettes, let me make you very, very comfortable, boys and girls, that while you come listening to a monstrous person, like me, I'm not only huge, I'm not only fat, I'm not only bad looking, but also I speak very, very horrible because of my administrative acumen. Now, what happened is, I'll tell you, Aniruddha sir, redirecting your attention towards Aniruddha sir. You people can keep on putting up chats. 100 amount of questions should be on the chat boxes, because I'm opening the chat boxes now. I'll keep on talking to you all people. I have ready-made slides, but I believe my slides are very boring, not as good looking as mine. So you keep looking at me and talking to me, and the soft copies would be shared. I'll share the soft copies with Aniruddha sir later. Because once I open the slides, you start looking at the slides, you start writing it out. The essence of this webinar goes off. First of all, I would want everybody to redirect your attention towards Aniruddha sir, what the profile he had read out for me. Ota shune to amaro bishwash hoy na, this is what I had done in my life. This was amazing. Whenever Aniruddha sir introduces me, I also sit back and I also realize, Are Baba, etogulo korlam thodi. And it happened just because it has to happen like that. It was not a deliberate and a desperate attempt. It was not very, very intentional that this is the way how I'm supposed to do. This is the way how we are not supposed to do. But one thing I would want to tell you, of the beginning. I do not know whether this group was there with us in the webinar that we had done in the month of August or in the month of July with a group of students. I do not remember if this is the same group. I said you during that time also, or basically I keep on telling, Mahamari ho, pandemic ho, whatsoever it happens, examinations happens, college evaluation happens, মানে পৃথিবী এদিক থেকে ওদিক হয়ে গেলেও টিচার্সরা পরীক্ষা নেওয়া ছাড়ে না, আর কম নম্বর দিতেও ছাড়ে না। that is their মানে বার্থ রাইট কাইন্ড অফ এ থিং। আর আমরাও পরীক্ষা হল থেকে বেরিয়ে এসে বলি না এই সব করলাম, 95 এর পেপার করেছি। আমাকে তো সোমনাথ স্যার দিয়েছে 42। আমাকে আসলে খুব খারাপ পায়, আমাকে দেখলে পরে ওর রাগ হয়, তাই বলে আমাকে কম নাম্বার দিয়েছে। এগুলো করে করে এসেছি আমরা।
सर
স্যার
सर बंगाली समझ में नहीं आता है सर।
तो क्या, अच्छा ठीक है, फिर तो खाली अंग्रेजी में बात, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं फिर अंग्रेजी और हिंदी मिला मिला के बात करते हैं, फिर तो कंफर्टेबल, ठीक है ना?
ओके सर।
या তো what happens with us is that আমি ভয় পেয়ে গেছি, আমি ভেবেছি এক্ষুনি আমাকে গালাগাল করবে মার্কস নম্বর দিয়ে, তারপর মনে পড়েছে এদের নাম্বার আমি দিইনি কোনো সময়, টিচার্সদের নাম্বার কোনো সময় দিয়েছি, আমি নাম্বার দিইনি। Well, now when we talk about these professional instincts of grooming ourselves, few things we would want to know, few things we would want to tell everybody to relax yourself and understand. Because you see, when you talk about your generation, see, according to the mandates of NBA, according to the college protocols, you also have a ready-made platter where everybody serves you ready-made. The kind of webinar you're having today in terms of grooming, professional etiquettes and all, it didn't happen before, and you do not have any law. You do not have any theory according to so-and-so's theory, Rutherford's model, or even Archimedes' principle. एरकम करते हैं. This is what you are supposed to do. ऐसा ही करना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं करने से वैसा गलत हो जाता है. आपको वैसा ही बैठना पड़ेगा. आपको ऐसा ही देखना पड़ेगा. आप चद्दर उड़ के वेबिनार में नहीं बैठ सकते. ऐसा कोई रूल, ऐसा कोई प्रोटोकॉल कहीं पे भी नहीं है. But somehow or the other, the years of experience that we have gathered upon geared up different sciences. One science came up as psychotherapy. ওই যে সাইকিয়াট্রি আর সাইকোলজির ভাই কাজিন মিলিয়ে একটা নতুন সাবজেক্ট উৎপত্তি হয়েছে, that was called psychotherapy. আর সাইকোথেরাপির ভিত্তিতে, মানে based on this psychotherapy, there are many small things which has come up, which we tell as instincts. These are no set formats, no protocols, but then this has been as a mandate to many of the benches of professional benchmarks. Now, whenever you go for an interview, whenever you appear for an interview, and whenever you do everything in your survival strategies, nobody's going to tell you this is the correct way that you are supposed to behave upon. But understand the reasons of survival and the strategies of survival. Let us give an example of Aniruddha Sir. I have no shame. I have no apprehension to say, as a man, if I have ever loved a man, that has to be Aniruddha Sir, because of his extreme, suave, gentle personality, or could we say personification. Now, there could be many students who would totally disagree with me, because you have seen Aniruddha Sir as a subject facilitator or as a mentor. But I have seen him as a younger brother. I have seen him as an extended family. But what I have seen is the real Aniruddha Sir. What you have seen in your classes is the role Aniruddha Sir has played. Now, my question to everybody is, Aniruddha Sir has been working in BC Roy unit because of his educational qualification, or because of his
हेलो सर।
हाँ
हेलो
सर चाय पी रहे हैं।
participants wait for him.
Yes.
Mute yourself, everybody mute yourself. কারেন্ট চলে গেছে। না দেখছি, ও কাউকে একজনকে বার করতেই হবে।
ওদের এরা সবাই ঢুকে যাচ্ছে কি করে উইদাউট অ্যাডমিট ছাড়া?
স্যার আমি পাঠিয়েছিলাম না, অ্যাড করা আছে ক্যালেন্ডারে, র্যান্ডমলি কাউকে select। স্যার না ঢুকতে পারলে আমাকে ফোন করবেন। প্রয়োজন হলে আমি বেরিয়ে
আপনি ওটা শেয়ার করছেন কিন্তু সবাই দেখছে ইউটিউবে, কিভাবে বের করছেন।
সেটাও সমস্যা।
আরেকটা আইডি থেকে ঢুকে থাকুন না,
আর এটা পারবো না তো স্যার ঢুকতে।
এইবারে যখন পাবেন আপনার আইডি থেকে ঢুকে রাখুন। আমরা তো একটা আইডি থেকে ঢুকেছি, আমার আইডিটাও বেরিয়ে গেলাম তো আমি আর ঢুকতে পারছি না। তো আপনি বলবেন
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যালো, দাঁড়ান 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 স্যার, দাঁড়ান দাঁড়ান স্যার, আমি করছি। আপনি আপনি জয়েন করে রাখুন। স্যার আপনি ঢুকে গেছেন? আচ্ছা, ঢুকে গেছেন তো, ওকে ওকে রাইট। ওকে কন্টিনিউ।
Yeah. Sorry, everybody. There was an electrical disruption. The electricity got disconnected and it took in some time. Apologies, everybody. I'm very, very sorry. And it would keep happening a little bit because we are having a power failure, frequent power failure happening since yesterday. So what I was trying to say is there was no set protocol, there was no set format based on which how do you behave. But the problem is once right now, while you are pursuing your course, everybody's thinking of campuses, everybody's thinking of cracking a job. Everybody's thinking somehow or the other, would I be able to get a job? Would I be able to manage a job? Would I be able to crack a campus or not? Tell me honestly, yes or no. You can just raise your thumbs that way. I have in front of me Tuhina. I have in front of me Sandeep Ghosh, Tiyas, Rohit Kumar. Really, Sabina, these people are there. Are you really tensed and are you really thinking about the campuses? Would I be able to crack a campus or not? Is this the tension there or there is no tension that way? This is no tension, this is tensions are there. Which one? Tensions are there. Wonderful. Tuhina responded, rest of them did not. All well, we have Amritash Banerjee responding us. Rahul Chaudhary has joined us. Yes, we have this problem whether we will have campuses or not. Relax, and I'll tell you, you will crack through campuses. Campuses is very, very easy. If I happen to have again a time with you before your campuses, you have, I'm sure, a grooming cell, or probably I would come back again to tell you all people the tips of interview skills and how you crack offline and online campuses, and including the technical round and the HR round. Well, I don't have any say over the technical round, but yes, the kinesics, the proxemics, many areas that we require or what the interviewer seeks upon from, that I'll groom you. But I'll tell you one thing, the main problem is not campus. The main problem starts after you get the appointment letter. But I'll tell you, it's very easy to fall in love, you'll see. It's very, very easy. You pass on a message and missing you very much, I love you very much. All those things are very, very easy. But I'll tell you, Rahul is smiling, and I'm sure Rahul, Amritash Banerjee is smiling. I'm not sure whether he has a story like that. But I'll tell you something, the most difficult part is once you finish your love story and get married and survive for the entire life with an alien whom you do not know. Alien. Why did I say that? Because the person whomever you're going to stay back is not the same person you have fallen in for. There are two different people here. Same happens in employment also. You'll get the job. I wish I would have got a job there. I wish I could have got a job there. You will get a job. The appointment letter works as a trump card to open up your self-introspection. And then you realize how difficult professionalism is all about. How difficult you must be very, very upset and angry with any of the professors who asks you questions when you are late in the class. Supposedly you're 5 minutes, 10 minutes late in the class, and some teacher's taking a class and they ask you, what happened? Why are you late? Late kyun hua? And you feel offended. You feel very sad about it. Next time, be very careful. Never be late in my class. And you're like murmuring, beshi dekhai ekdom. Hoyeche to hoyeche, eschi na class er moddhe. But you will not understand the difficulty when you are late in your office, because there's nobody who's going to ask you, why are you late? There's nobody who's going to do anything apart from deduction of your salaries, deduction of your leaves. And you're like, pata nahi, why did I work like that? I would have opened up a grocery store then to work in this organization. But believe me, boys and girls, the professionalism that you're going to gear up and gather up is not based on these kind of training that we are going to give you. Of course, I'll give you a basic guideline today. Very, very basic. But the most important thing that you would require is once you sit back, once you step in the organization, on the professional venture, and you realize how difficult life is. But to make your life very, very easy, let me clear out one thing. Boys and girls, tell me one thing. Whatever you do today, you get angry, you feel loved, you feel emotional, you feel sad, you feel aggrieved, you feel whatsoever emotions that plays in you, whatsoever kind of emotions that works in all of us, and thereby however you act starts from this factory here. There's a huge manufacturing unit here, which is called the mind. And in the mind, you have an underlying principle of something called the thoughts. So the journey of our actions, the journey of the reflection of our personality, whatever it is today, starts from your thought processes. I just thought I should be able to make a little bit of fun with Amritash Banerjee, just looking at him online. I thought he would laugh at my joke, and then I laughed, and then I played out a humor on him, and then he laughed back, and this is what I executed. So my relationship with Amritash Banerjee for the past 2 minutes has happened just because of my thoughts. I was giving an example of love, and I said Amritash Banerjee loves. I'm sure he must have got a story like that in his life. Why did I say that? Just because I thought he would not take it as an offense, he would smile. That's the reason I spoke. So the execution of my communication with Amritash Banerjee is purely based on my thought processes. Then when I said, are you actually worried about your campuses? Yes or no? And Tuhina was the first girl to raise her hands up. And I found her to be very, very smart. Looking at Tuhina, immediately the next guy was Sandeep Ghosh, and many other people raised up their hands. So what happens is, based on our thoughts, we execute our communication and we reflect our personality. Boys and girls, let's start back with a small, I think it's a never-ending process of, grooming you through what things can happen to be for the betterment of all of yours. But I should be able to tell you, remember to mind your thoughts, which becomes your actions. And once you do execute your actions becomes your habit, because that is what you have done. You will be repeatedly doing that. So your thoughts will become your actions, and your actions is bound to become your habits. Once you are subdued by the pressure of your habits will become your behavior. And remember, your behavior would be your character, and that is what you are today. So your character, your charisma, your personality today, whatever and wherever you are, has started from your thought processes. That is what you are. So now what happens is, during the examinations, you'll see, during the examination, a boy goes to the examination hall and says, जो होगा होगा देखा जाएगा, पास करने से पास करेगा, फेल करने से फेल करेगा, देखा जाएगा. And the other girl or other boy, he keeps on studying and studying until the last moment, पता नहीं, जैसे तैसे 40, 50, 60 नंबर लेना ही पड़ेगा. अगर back लग गया तो that will be more difficult. So all that has happened in the results or in the mark sheet of both the candidates has happened from the resource of the thought processes. But I should be able to tell you, while Tuhina and Sandeep and other people raises their hands that I'm very concerned about whether I'll be able to crack my campuses or not, these are the people who are going to do blockbusters in their life, because they have got phobia, fright of performance. Henceforth, for the first time, you should be able to listen that phobia, fright, dar, bhay, career ko leke, zarurat hai. Then only we perform. But one thing I should be able to tell you, relax everybody. Everybody is going to have jobs. Everybody will be able to have their livelihood skills. It is all there within all of us. But how to groom them? What are the paraphernalias based on which you are going to work? We will discuss today. Boys and girls, please understand to work out the most important aspect of your personality in the beginning, from today, right now, is your impact analysis. Impact. You know what is impact? I'll tell you. The moment you looked at me on the screen, I'm sure there's some kind of an impact that has happened on you. And there could be some kind of an impact of yours which has happened on me. Let's talk to Suryan Roy. Suryan, would you want to talk to me? If you can unmute your audio.
Yes, sir.
Suryan,
Sir, I would like to, sir.
Good morning,
sir.
How are you? All well?
Sir, yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Suryan, I'm good. I have a question. The moment you looked at me on the screen, the impact that you had was what? Good, bad, ugly, whatsoever. Speak your hearts out.
Sir, it was very fine, sir, because it felt that I would able to learn something from you, sir.
ये डर
So
के
I would
मारे
have to
बोल
be
रहा है
serious.
ये बिल्कुल डर के मारे बोल रहा है ये इसका ओरिजिनल बात नहीं है सिर्फ डर के मारे बोल रहा होगा
No, sir, it is actually, sir.
Okay, so Suryan says, looking at you on the screen, I found कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिलेगा. And immediately while I looked at Suryan wearing the shawl, I also thought immediately थोड़ा सा इसके साथ में मजाक करने से शायद ये हंसेगा. So this is called impact. Impact is the effect of someone's personality upon us. But the important part is, Suryan has never met me. I have never met Suryan, but still there is an impact while we look at people on screen also. This impact has to be acronomically defined. और ये acronomically definition के लिए this 6-letter word IMPACT has got 6 parameters which you can nurture right from the beginning. And while you nurture this right from the beginning, there will be immense amount of prolific professional growth on you, because your impact has to reach on somebody positively. And your impact on me or someone has to reach positively. It has to be vice versa. Based on which I do not have any control, or rather, you do not have any control to have regulate someone else's impact on you. But your impact can be regulated. How? By understanding the 6 major things that you have to nurture within all of your people. Impact stands for IMPACT, and I have divided it in, bifurcated in a very, very acronomical order. The first word, I, should carry intelligence in you. What is intelligence? कितना पढ़ाई किया, कितना टेक्निकल चीज याद रखते हो, रट्टा कितना मारा, एग्जामिनेशन में मार्क्स कितना निकाल के लेके आया, nothing doing. Please understand, 5 years from now, mark my words, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, once your son, once your daughter starts going to schools, you will forget how much marks you have scored in your examinations. That is not required anymore. Today, while you are, listening to me, or even BC Roy has invited me as a resource person, they have never said, you sir, how much marks did you get in your hospitality examinations from Bombay University? Show me your mark sheet first of all, then only we'll let you come down to the virtual platform. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So mark sheets के चक्कर में अपना व्यक्तित्व, अपना personality, अपना professional acumen कभी भी मत बिगाड़ो. Never ever. And one thing I should be able to tell everybody, you have it in you. Everybody. The problem is with the mind. And the bigger problem is with the colleagues around you, with the peers around you. ये पढ़ो मत, इस बार एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा. दोस्त का बात मान लिया, पढ़ा नहीं, एग्जाम में आ भी गया. डबल अंडा भी लेके आया मार्कशीट में, फिर भी दोस्ती खराब नहीं हुआ. At the end of the day, we are all going to lose it out. So be careful to relax and enjoy a beautiful episode, something God has given to you called student's life. Enjoy that. Have tensions of examinations, have tensions of campuses, maardhar, jhagda, everything should happen. But realize one thing that I should be able to tell you with my almost 26 years of work experience, you will have a wonderful career ahead. ऐसा दुनिया में आजकल कोई बच्चा नहीं निकलता जिसको 30% मिला तो खराब कैरियर आ गया, 130% मिला तो अच्छा कैरियर आ गया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Everybody is going to get it out. The only problem is surviving in the industry. Surviving in the geographical zone wherever you get selected. That's the problem. So this is where I speak about the first reason called I, intelligence. What is intelligence? Knowing to know how to handle your ego. You know what is ego? I'll let you do something. When you talk about ego, we all have understood about ego means pride, ego means inflationary concepts, ego means self-inflated concept, humse badkar kaun, that is called ego. No. That is not called ego. Ego is defined by the way of how you are, based on 3 kind of cock-deuce balls. ये 3 cock-deuce balls हमारे अंदर में ना उछल कूद करते रहते हैं. एक होता है पेरेंट ईगो, एक होता है चाइल्ड ईगो, एक होता है एडल्ट ईगो. ये तीनों ईगो एक साथ उछल कूद हम सभी में करते रहते हैं. और ये उछल कूद करते करते कौन सा मेरा वाला बॉल निकल के आया और कौन सा तुम्हारा वाला बॉल निकल के आया, स्टार्ट्स द कम्युनिकेशन प्लेथोरा. और कम्युनिकेशन प्लेथोरा में हम लोग को पैरेलल ट्रांजैक्शन चाहिए, हम लोग को इंटरसेक्शनल ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं चाहिए. मतलब झगड़ा, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए. I'll tell you something. The boss is always right, they say, but आपको अभी लगेगा, revolutionary thought process है ना, because of your inexperience and young age, आपको लगेगा अरे बॉस जो बोलेगा वैसा थोड़ी माना जा सकता, हम लोग का पढ़ाई का कोई कदर नहीं है, हम लोग का दिमाग का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. बट प्लीज रियलाइज, never disturb an ecology or an ecosystem where you have to live in. वो बोलते हैं ना पानी में रह के मगरमच्छ के साथ में बैर नहीं रख सकता. These are not Bollywood dialogues. These are actually truthful things. But I'll tell you how to execute it out. By knowing how to control your emotions, how to control your ego. Today Somnath sir, today Kingshuk sir, or today any of Anirban Chatterjee sir, somebody must have भयंकर धुलाई दिया होगा क्लास में. और आपको लगेगा इसको तो मैं देख लूंगा कॉलेज से निकलने के बाद में, मैं भी इसको देखूंगा. बट रियलाइज one thing very, very carefully, that is just a role that they have played. But what you have done is you have developed grudge, bitterness against not the professor but also with the subject. अब अगली बार से वो सब्जेक्ट आपको अच्छा नहीं लगने लगेगा, वो प्रोफेसर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगने लगेगा. लेकिन इस एंटायर अच्छा लगने या खराब लगने के चक्कर में who is at the losing end? Us, who will have to produce and reproduce our thought processes and comprehension on the examination papers. So be very, very careful about playing with the ego. I play intelligently, knowing how to control your emotions. कल बॉस बेधड़क गाली देगा, what will you do? Come back and immediately start naukri.com sites and to search for a better job. ऐसा तो हमेशा नहीं होगा ना. And by God's grace, if you are into a government system or into a government protocol, government का फॉर्मेट में अगर गिर गए, आपको तो मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में नहीं सील पट्टा में डाल के पीसते रहते हैं, ना मोटर है ना पसल, इधर में भी पीसेंगे उधर में भी पीसेंगे, आप कुछ कर भी नहीं पाएंगे. So be careful about how to play with your emotions, because during those days you will also have a family. So पूरा ऑफिस में भयंकर काम करके आके आप बीवी के ऊपर में चढ़ के बैठ गए या हस्बैंड को गाली देना शुरू कर दिया, मैं ऑफिस करके आया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So you have to have a balance of both. How? By playing on the first component of your impact, which is called I, intelligence. I work for 10 to 12 hours every day. और 12 घंटा 14 घंटा बाद में जब मैं घर पे आता हूँ, कभी कभार मेरे बीवी बोलते हैं कि चलो हम लोग बाहर में होटल में खा के आते हैं. मुझे लगता है इसको होटल में नौकरी दिला दो कभी, लेकिन ऐसा हम लोग नहीं करते. हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं या श्योर, व्हाई नॉट, चलो चलते हैं. एंड वी बैलेंस आउट पीस एंड हार्मनी इन बोथ ऑफ आवर लाइव्स, द प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एज वेल एज पर्सनल लाइफ. आई. The next word is called M. M stands for mannerisms. Mannerisms is all about your body movements, gestures, postures, the way how you sit, the way how you look at somebody, the way how you keep your hands. Everything matters a lot when it talks about mannerisms. Mannerisms are not good behaviors as manners. Manners and mannerisms are poles apart. Alag-alag cheez hai. Don't try to mix up both the things. Mannerisms are all about gestures and postures of your body. You are inside a meeting. आपने मीटिंग में बैठा और मीटिंग में बैठ के आप ऐसे बैठ गए. Look at me the way how I'm sitting. बॉस अगर सामने में हो, मैं अगर ऐसा बॉस होता, खींच के जाके गाल पे थप्पड़ मारता. वेर आजकल मारता वरता कोई भी नहीं है, लेकिन animosity, conflicting areas increases. So mind up your body movements. अब body movements के classes बहुत भयंकर लंबा होता है, उसमें मैं घुसूंगा नहीं. But there are certain do's and don'ts of body movements. लेकिन एक चीज मैं बताऊं आपको to sum it up. Never, whenever you sit back talking to people, whenever you sit back on a professional platform, do not execute movements in your body. Make it still. You talk back. Movements in your body मतलब आप ना किसी के साथ में देख भी रहे हैं, हाथ उंगलियों के साथ में ऐसे फिजिट भी कर रहे हैं. That is not to be done. You have crossed legs, लेकिन crossed legs में also you have started development actions. Tapping of the feet, swinging of the feet. इन सब चीजों के हरकत हम लोग नहीं करेंगे. मोबाइल फोन के साथ में बैठ के हम लोग अक्सर ये सब चीज करते रहते हैं. ये सब चीज हम लोग नहीं करेंगे. So these are all reverse T signals. इसका मतलब है your entire body constitution gives somebody an information. You are not within the conversation. You are not interested. तो इन सब चीजों के लिए मैनरिज्म्स को देखा जाना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है when you talk about mannerisms. The third word is called P. P stands for personality opinions. I'm talking about your personality. Lekin boys and girls, you tell me one thing, your personality is good or bad will be decided by whom? You or by somebody else? Anybody?
Sir,
Anybody
somebody
who
else.
somebody else. Absolutely. इसका मतलब है you are supposed to craft and draft your personality according to your viewers, according to somebody else. दूसरा किसी का आंख में आपका व्यक्तित्व अच्छा लगे वैसा व्यक्तित्व बनाना पड़ेगा. Because the word personality is an incomplete word. We tell it as not personality, but personality opinions. It's very, very important to regulate the opinions of other people of your others on your personality. I have a wonderful personality. I say, who cares? Till the time your audience or this 100 group of people who has joined me would say, "Nee, this person had got a good personality." Only then I get this accolade and acclaim of this good or bad personality. Aniruddha sir is a very good teacher. Who said that? His students said that. Aniruddha sir would say, "I am a wonderful teacher," but his student says, "Itna zyada headache hai class mein, isko nahi kiya ja sakta." So Aniruddha sir's professional acumen fails there. So it is always important to monitor other people's reaction towards you, based on which we develop peace and harmony that can be synchronized in the professional ventures to personality opinions. The most important thing here when we will talk is the next word, A. Impacts P and A. A stands for appearance. And now you talk about your grooming. Now you talk about wearing a jean.
Yeah, I was correct. Hello. Participants, please wait. There is some technical glitch from Anjan side. Wait for some time. দুটো ডিভাইস থেকে জয়েন করেছি। No problem. Okay, sir.
Yeah. There was a electricity disruption.
No problem. So you can continue.
Somnath sir, we would request you to please mute your. Thank you so much, Somnath sir. So we were stopping. We got disconnected in the word called A, professional grooming. The kind of clothes you wear. There could be some kind of an office which might have a business etiquettes of giving you kind of dress code of conduct, but there could be many other organizations where we might not be able to have a dress code of conduct. Please realize about your grooming standards. Please understand that you would be henceforth the brand representative or the brand ambassador of a particular organization. The kind of clothes you wear is very, very important, and the kind of appearance you carry reflects your personality, personification, your acclimatization with the industry. Tomorrow you come out, I meet any of the professors of any institution, I first of all look back, this is this professor from that institution, that college, that university. It's like the same thing that I visit a doctor, and a new doctor, a very, very new doctor, a dentist, next to my house. He's opened up a clinic. I had a problem here. I went to him and he said, "दांत को उखाड़ के फेंकना पड़ेगा." I said, "ठीक है, फेंक देगा, फिर दवाई दे दीजिए." तो gave me a lot amount of medicines. ये medicines घर पे लेके आके खाने से पहले मैं सोच रहा था, इसका शक्ल डॉक्टर का तरह नहीं लगता. इसका medicine खा के अगर मैं मर गया तो ये नहीं खाएगा. इसके पास में जाके दांत नहीं उखाड़ा जा सकता. इसको दिखने से नहीं लगता he is very, very powerful enough as a dentist. इसका क्या मतलब निकला? I did not know, but only I said one thing: the personality did not attract and attach us, based on which it was my opinion. Henceforth, it's about all the same. Now you say jeans ऑफिस में पहन के जा सकते हैं, टी-शर्ट्स ऑफिस में बिल्कुल पहन के जा सकते हैं. कौन सा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा हुआ है कि ये सब पहन के हम लोग नहीं जा सकते? You're right. But the problem is, you need to tell and you need to introspect also whether jeans, whether these dresses are a professional wear or a casual wear. If you say it's a professional wear, if you say it's a formal wear, I will totally disagree, and the entire grooming industry would disagree with you. If you say it's a casual wear, it's an informal wear, that means we also carry informal attributes inside office premises. You have to be careful about this also when you talk about appearance. The next word is called C. C is considerate. Considerate as in empathetic, being on the other person's shoes and realize what is the reason that he's shouting at you so much. There's a boss, there's a supervisor, there's somebody who would actually be dancing on your head every time. Ye bhi chahiye, wo bhi chahiye, this also, that also. And you'll be, God knows, I don't want to work in this organization. बहुत ज़्यादा काम कराता है यार, ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. Hold for a moment and realize two things, which is very important. The first one, you have an employment today. There are millions and millions of students of your age who's waiting outside the campus gate, who could not crack a campus, who are dying to live your life. So you are blessed. You have a job. Acha bura baat ka baat. Salary aane wala ek job. The second most important thing, when you talk about mujhe ye cheez acha nahi laga, mujhe ye cheez kharab nahi laga, please understand, is it my fault that I had to rectify, or is it the organization's fault that I had to rectify? Which one? In the long, deeper introspection, you'd always find out it's my fault. Somehow or the other, I have to do it. See, I'll tell you, you will say at one point of a time, my boss is very difficult. Itna khadus third class boss maine zindagi mein kahin pe nahi dekha. Now you have to wait and realize whether the boss was khadus and third class, or, very importantly, or the demands that the boss actually would want to, had overlapped it out to you. You are not being able to cope up with the demands. You're not being able to cope up with the pressure. Which one? Which one? I have seen in many campuses when children refuses jobs. They sat in a campus, they got a job of 15, 20, 25,000 rupees, thoda sa kam salary. They refuse. They say, itna kam paisa mein to kuch bhi nahi hota. Mujhe ye naukri karna hi nahi hai. But during that time, I went down talking to the students. जब तुम नौकरी नहीं करेगा बोल के नौकरी को घुमा दिया, मुझे ये नौकरी करना ही नहीं है, अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर को नलीफाई करवा दिया, उस समय में तुम्हारा हाथ में कितना रुपए का सैलरी था? उससे ज्यादा कि उससे कम? अगर उस समय तुम्हारा सैलरी 0 था, then you are a big time बेवकूफ. Because कम सैलरी में घुस के, I would have also learned how to work by getting payment. So 3 months later, 4 months later, you are an experienced candidate. और वो गया बहुत पुराना दिन, because I am associated with various HR forums of the country, that आपका पहला वाला ब्रेक 4,000 रुपए का था, अभी आपको 3,000 या 6,000 रुपए का नौकरी मिलेगा. ऐसा कुछ खेल खेलता नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं आता. Nothing like that. The most important thing that works out is that you have worked even at a low package. You have worked at a very, very low package without an appointment letter, without a CTC, without an annual CTC presentation, but still you have worked and gathered experience. You are a priority in the interview board. So be careful about these factors also. Coming back to the last word, which is called T. T stands for tact. Tact means coming out of difficult situations without getting caught. Any people are open to write out chat boxes, any kind of thing that you would want to ask me, can go ahead. It's a huge topic. I'll not be able to finish within that amount of time. How much I can, I would be able to do that. The last point is called tact. Tact is coming out of difficult situations without getting caught. You know it's not your mistake. It's someone else's mistake. But somebody wants to prove that you are wrong. Somebody wants to make you understand that you are, galti nahi kiya hai aapne. In the office or in the professional bench, there could be situations where you haven't done the mistake. Somebody wants to make you believe and feel that you have done the mistake. What will you do? Youngsters would say, we would go and pacify, we would go and clarify. ये गलती मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया, इसका मैं जिम्मेदारी क्यों लूं? Relax. Understand one thing, जिस आदमी ने कहा कि आप गलत हो, वो अच्छी तरह से उसको बेहतर पता है कि आप गलती नहीं किया है, उसके बावजूद ये चीज आपके कंधे में डाला है. Make your life stress free, make your life very very easy and say, ठीक है, गलती हो गया, माफ कर दो, आइंदा से नहीं करेगा. खुश. So the situation gets importantly, very, very importantly, in your grip. You should understand that there you are not fighting for, a position. You are actually fighting for not only survival, you're also fighting for peace and tranquility in your life. Back at home, you have a personal life too. काम में इतना उलझ गए कि हम अपना पर्सनल लाइफ भूल गए. ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता. So to develop your professional life, you have to have a very, very healthy life. वेरी वेरी हेल्दी लाइफ. सबीना यास्मीन की तरफ देखो, सब लोग इतना दुखी हो गए. ये लड़की मेरा लेक्चर सुन के इसका तो आंसू निकल के आ जाएगा अभी. सो स्माइल. दिस इज सच यंग एज. वो कैसा बैठ गई वो कैमरे के सामने में, एकदम मुझे लगा ये तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट जमाने का हीरोइन की तरह दिख रही थी मुझे. बट अदरवाइज स्माइल एंड एंजॉय लाइफ. नाउ if you do not have a personal life which is happy, you will never be able to perform in your professional front, no? So first of all, impact analysis has to be very carefully done. Next few things you have to be considering as a thumb rule. What is the thumb rule? First of all, you should know, these are unsaid things. दुनिया में कोई तुमको ये सब चीज बोलेगा नहीं. Which is called office code of behavior. Office code of behavior office में लिखा नहीं जाता, हमें बनाना पड़ता. And what is office code of behavior? I'll tell you the first thing. Office code of behavior speaks about the first point, which is called working together. Working together का मतलब है 5, 6 नहीं 50, 500 लोग भी एक साथ काम करते हैं. एंड जब एक साथ काम करेंगे, एक दूसरे का SWOT, एक दूसरे का टिप ऑफ द फिंगर में रहना जरूरी है. Now, the moment I and Sandeep Ghosh sits to have our lunch in the cafeteria, I and Sandeep Ghosh speaks about Tuhina, who sits to the next of my cabin. And we keep on telling, oh, that girl is such a notorious. This is so bad. This is so bad. Talking against somebody in the absence of that particular person is cardinal sin. Cardinal sin. Very, very important that you should understand. Swaraj writes, should I have to start to say no to become successful, or should I say yes? This is such a very difficult question, Swaraj. It is not about start to say no to become successful. पता भी नहीं चला तुम्हारा सवाल का मतलब क्या है. But if I get that word called start to say no, that speaks about assertive communication. Assertive communication का मतलब होता है कौन ऐसे कई सारे लोग हैं ना, हर बात पे बोल देते हैं हाँ मैं कर दूंगा, हाँ मैं कर दूंगा, तो बाकी लोग उसको गधे की तरह इस्तेमाल कराना शुरू कर देते हैं. But there has to be assertivity. तुमको पता चलना जरूरी है कौन सा जगह पे मेरा ना बोलना भी जरूरी है. Based on which you will be happy. You will be successful or not, that's an invalid question, Swaraj. That is not to be answered. That I'll not be able to answer. The first point was working together. So इकट्ठा जब हम लोग काम करेंगे, किसी के बारे में gossip, बुराई, किसी का against में, किसी के absence में हम लोग नहीं करेंगे. Very importantly, in the professional benches, you will start to develop something called like this. You ask somebody, Tuhina, do you know what Swami Mandal was talking about you in the lunch break? So Tuhina should say, no, I don't know, and I do not want to listen to it either. And she should go to Swami Mandal saying that, Swami, अगर अंजन सर के साथ में अपना दिल का बात खुल के बात करना ही है, ensure that he does not speak it outside. Otherwise, पंगा लग जाएगा ऑफिस में. That has to be clarity, clear cut, clarity wise it has to be exposed in offices. But Tuhina अगर मुझे पूछना शुरू करेगा, सर मुझे नहीं पता, बताइए तो स्वामी ने मेरे बारे में क्या बोला, और क्या बोला सर, साथ में और कौन लोग थे, कैसा करके बोला सर, मुंह में हंसी लेके बोला कि आंखों में आंसू लेके बोला. So we are radiating negativity in the office. तो क्या हुआ, प्रोडक्टिविटी कम गए. प्रोडक्टिविटी कब कमेगा, जब शनिवार रविवार शाम को, रविवार पूरा दिन छुट्टी रहा ना, रविवार दोपहर को नींद से उठने के बाद में आपको लगेगा ये भगवान संडे गया, कल सुबह से वापस ऑफिस. और इस अगला वीक में तो कोई हॉलीडेज भी नहीं है. कोई मिनिस्टर मरेगा फिर भी एक दिन का छुट्टी मिलेगा. अब पता नहीं कौन मरेगा, कौन बंद बुलाएगा, मुझे तो ऑफिस नहीं जाना. So the moment you are panic stricken to go to the office on Monday morning blues, अगर ये चीज आ गया, इसका मतलब है you are working not for happiness and passion, you are working for compulsion. सैलरी के लिए जोर जबरदस्ती काम करते हैं. ट्यूसडे तक आपने जब काम किया, आपको लगा मंडे ट्यूसडे काम करने के बाद में आपको लगा 1.5 साल काम किया, काश कल संडे आ जाता. इसका मतलब है it's over pressurizing you. That means you are not enjoying your work. That is more important, boys and girls, to make yourself passionate. अब इसके लिए do not join down a गलत organization. Do not work in a platform where you don't want to work. एकदम शुरुआत में I have to make these things very, very clear. Talking to each other is very, very important because that's one source of how you respect the organization. Now, talking to each other matlab hai to know someone's weaknesses, someone's strengths. I talk well, very, very well. And Sandeep Ghosh does IT work very, very well. Whenever it comes for presentation, Sandeep should say, sir, Anjan sir बहुत अच्छा presentation देते हैं, मेरे टीम से Anjan sir will represent. And whenever IT का काम आता है, PPTs बनाने का काम आता है, I'll always say, मेरे टीम में Sandeep है, he helps me. That is called hand holding. अगर ये रहा, you are within the team. अगर ये नहीं रहा, then the team is then the team gets broken. What is the role of controlling anger? Please revalidate your question to Hina. That's a wrong question. What is the role of controlling anger? नहीं है, कुछ और बोलने का कोशिश कर रही होगी. I'll still wait, and I'll keep on giving you the additional tips. You keep reframing your question. Most importantly is respecting the organization. Business protocol speaks about respecting the organization. What is respecting the organization? सुबह ऑफिस में घुसने के साथ अगरबत्ती लेके फूल लेके पूजा नहीं करने वाला. Simple things. The office timings are from 10 o'clock to whatever timing. So 10 बजे अगर ऑफिस में घुसना है, so 10 बजे हम लोग घर से नहीं निकलेंगे. 10 बजे हम लोग ऑफिस बिल्डिंग के नीचे में बाइक नहीं पार्क करेंगे. 10 बजे I should be on my table with my pen open. That is on the basis of which I start to work. That is called office protocols. 10 बजे के जगह पे nobody has said you to come at 9:45 also. नहीं, ये बात मैंने नहीं कहा. लेकिन 10 बजे से 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock, whatever timing, जो slot दिया गया है, that time schedule has been bought by the organization. You are supposed to be complying with that. और उसके अंदर में भी हम लोग अपना बहुत सारे काम करते हैं. चाय पीते हैं, कॉफी पीते हैं, लंच करते हैं, अपना पर्सनल काम करने के लिए चले जाते हैं, बैंक चले जाते हैं. हर कोई काम हम लोग उसी टाइम फ्रेम में करते हैं. इसका रिस्पेक्ट भी देना बहुत जरूरी है. सो अगर आप लोग टाइम मैनेजमेंट के वीक शेड्यूल बनाएंगे, तब आप देखेंगे कितना घंटा हम लोग बेफालतू का टाइम में बर्बाद करते हैं. आज अगर इफ आई स्पीक दैट आप लोगों ने इस वेबिनार में, पैंडेमिक के वेबिनार में कितने सारे वेबिनार्स अटेंड किए हैं, क्या क्या सीखा आप लोगों ने. सो बहुत सारे बच्चे होंगे, बहुत सारे बच्चे जो बोलेंगे पता नहीं, खास कुछ नहीं किया, टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, लेकिन फेसबुक कर रहे थे, व्हाट्सएप कर रहे थे, रात को 1 बजे 2 बजे 3 बजे तक ऑनलाइन दिखाई पड़ते थे, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हम लोगों ने इसका प्रॉपर वैलिडेशन नहीं किया है. नुकसान किसका आया है? Today also, whenever you will go for an interview, I'll tell you, boys and girls, resume, CV, biodata लिखते कैसे हैं उसके बारे में अभी भी हमें सफाई के तरीके से नहीं पता. इंटरव्यू बोर्ड में जब हमें पूछेंगे ना, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, यहीं से तो खेल शुरू होता है ना. टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, पूरा ब्रह्मांड आ जाएगा सर के ऊपर में. मैं अपने बारे में बोलूं तो बोलूं, क्या बोलूं, कहां से बोलूं और कहां तक बोलूं, because you did not know how to understand that, how to understand that question, and forget about answering. Now, Sanjali Mishra says, sir, professional world day or interview time में English conversation की खूब important. Not really. No, Sanjali. No, never. English is not at all a measure of someone's intelligence. कभी भी नहीं. लेकिन हाँ, the HR is somebody who does not understand English. Like somebody from this platform said, sir, do not speak in Bangla. I do not understand Bengali. If that is the criteria, then English is a bailout. Apart from various countries of the world, जहाँ पे अंग्रेजी का कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है, सिर्फ इंडिया है, because of colonial culture. हम लोगों को लगता है अंग्रेजी में बात बोल दिया, फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी में बात किया, मतलब मेरा तो भयंकर दिमाग है. No, that is wrong. Not required. Nobody considers these things today. No, it is absolutely not correct. सर हाउ टू, आई टेल यू, कॉलोनियल कल्चर में हुआ क्या था. कॉलोनियल ब्रिटिश कल्चर के समय में ब्रिटिशर्स को इंडियन के साथ में बात करना नहीं आता था. उन लोग को बेवकूफ को लोग चाहिए था, कोई अपना क्लरिकल काम करते रहे, और दे नीड टू स्पीक एंड कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश. तो कम्युनिकेशन इन इंग्लिश सिखाया गया है कुछ लोगों से, और लोग क्लरिकल काम करते गए. नो डायनामिज्म, नो मैनेजरियल स्किल्स, और ये हम लोग का जिंदगी में आज तक अभी भी मौजूद है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू वर्क ऑन समबडी एल्सेस ऑर्डर. ऐसा बोला था बोल के मैंने किया, अदरवाइज मैं अपना खुद का दिमाग कभी भी नहीं लगाया. और बाकी रहा इंग्लिश, अंग्रेजी में बात किया, इसका मतलब है दिमाग. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड ना, इंग्लिश इज अ लैंग्वेज, इट इज नेवर अ मेजर ऑफ एनीबॉडीज इंटेलिजेंस. I have seen the world's most biggest बेवकूफ and fools who speaks impeccable English. ऐसा अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, लेकिन दुनिया का ब्रांडेड बेवकूफ रहते हैं. अंकित दे asks me, sir, how to control anger. Controlling of anger का कोई क्लास नहीं होता अंकित, but I'll tell you how to control anger in 2 phases. पहला is an automated stage. अंकित को मैंने कुछ कहा, अंकित को फटाफट गुस्सा आ गया immediately. That is called automated stage of anger. Automated stage of anger हमारा जिंदगी में अटैक करके फटाक से निकल जाता है. Finished anger. नेक्स्ट स्टेज में अंकुर क्या बोलता है, अच्छा अंजन सर ने मुझे ऐसा बोला ना, उसको तो मैं ये भी बोलूंगा, उसको तो मैं ऐसा भी बोलूंगा, उसको तो मैं ऐसा भी बोलूंगा। तो उस समय में व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, यू आर प्लानिंग। अंकित इज प्लानिंग, अंजन सर को बेइज्जत कैसे किया जा सकता है, ये बात बोलने से अंजन सर बेइज्जत होंगे, वो बात बोलने से अंजन सर बेइज्जत होंगे, ये सब अंकित ने प्लानिंग किया। ये प्लानिंग के दौरान में अंकित के अंदर में कभी भी गुस्सा था ही नहीं, बिकॉज अंकित हैज एंटर्ड द सेकंड स्टेज। इसको बोलते हैं प्रोटेक्टिव स्टेज। प्रोटेक्टिव स्टेज का मतलब है खुद का ईगो डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए ही विल स्पीक malign about someone else's reputation, उससे उसको सुकून मिलेगा। So he is strategizing his anger. तो दूसरा stage of anger is never an anger. पहला stage is called automated stage, और automated stage आया और चला गया। तीसरा, दूसरा वाला स्टेज को नहीं जाके तीसरा वाला स्टेज में आता है विच इज कॉल्ड डिफेंसिव मोड। इसका कई सारे नोमेनक्लेचर है, जैसे गुस्सा से किसी ने किसी को खून कर दिया, गुस्सा से किसी का ऊपर में माथा फोड़ दिया, खून निकल गया, स्टिचेस आ गए हैं। इट ऑल हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑटोमेटेड स्टेज ऑफ एंगर विच हैज बीन प्रोलॉन्ग, थोड़ा सा लंबा हो गया था। दैट इज व्हाट इट हैपेंस। बट अदरवाइज एंगर पहला स्टेज से दूसरा स्टेज जाते जाते ही आइडियली खत्म हो जाता है। Srijoy Paul says, sir, how to improve team skills means how to interact with co-members in a better way, or how to express myself in a more better way. Srijoy, you have two options here. Number one option is about how to improve team skills means how to interact with co-members in a better way. Iska matlab hai, we need to understand EI. What is EI? Emotional intelligence. What is emotional intelligence? Knowing how to work on your emotions. Knowing how to work on your anger, knowing how to react. And now अब ये जो मैं बोल रहा हूं श्रीजॉय, knowing how to control your anger, knowing how to do this, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। knowing how to monitor your reactions. आप जब गुस्सा करते हो थोड़ा सा मॉनिटर करके देखो कौन कौन से हालात पे गुस्सा आता है आपको, कैसा कैसा हालात पे गुस्सा आने से क्या क्या किस्म का शब्द आप निकलता है आपके मुंह से, आप शब्द निकलता है आपके मुंह से। तो वो सब चीजों को मॉनिटर किया तो आपको खुद पता चलेगा गुस्सा उठने से मैं ऐसा दिखता हूं, गुस्सा उठने से मैं ये चीज बोलता रहता हूं, विच इज रॉन्ग। सो मॉनिटरिंग इज फर्स्ट थिंग। ऑटोमेटिकली मॉनिटरिंग विल गिव यू अ सिग्नल हियर। मॉनिटरिंग आपको सिग्नल भेजेगा कि ऐसा दिखता है, सो डोंट डू इट। ऐसा करने से ऐसा सुनाई पड़ता है, so don't do it. So that is how the first phase goes over. Second stage is how to express myself in a better way by following the basics of 7 C's of communication. Coherent communication, concise communication, courteous communication. आप 7 C दिखाई पड़ता है। If you go down to Google, they'll help you with the 7 C's of communication. 7 C's of communication का पहला वाला C, Srijoy, this is a full-fledged answer for you. पहला वाला C is about clarity. क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन। क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन का 2 हिस्सा। पहला वाला हिस्सा ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ थॉट्स इनटू स्पीचेस, जो बोलना चाहते हैं वैसा ही आपने सोचा कि नहीं, नंबर 1। सेकेंड क्लैरिटी का बात आया है प्रोनाउंसिएशंस। ये दोनों चीजों के ऊपर मैं अगर एम्फेसिस दे, यू वुड बी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस थिंग्स इन अ मोर बेटर वे। अब मोर बेटर वे इज अ रॉन्ग इंग्लिश, क्योंकि कंपैरेटिव कंपैरिजन आ गया है तो मोर नहीं चाहिए था। सर, हाउ टू कंट्रोल इमोशंस? Tias ने पूछा है how to control emotions. That's a wrong question again, Tias. You are not supposed to control emotions. You are supposed to know the level of your emotions. इमोशन को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, इमोशन को कंट्रोल करना जरूरी नहीं है। इमोशंस को, अब इसका मतलब भी बहुत वेग है। बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल हो गया, दैट्स अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। बहुत ज्यादा दुखी हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा उठ गया, दोस थिंग्स कैन हैपन। सो हाउ टू कंट्रोल नहीं, हाउ टू नो योर इमोशंस, इसके लिए इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस का जानना जरूरी है। Saikat Chatterjee says, sir, is it good to keep silent and cool mind all time during our working time? Absolutely, Saikat Chatterjee. Absolutely, yes. Because, Saikat, remember, the source of your happiness or the source of your sadness or the source of your anger today should not be somebody else. It's your day today. It's your life. Remember, each and every moment of this 24 hours is yours, which is God gifted. There are many, many millions of population in the deathbed today who are dying and who does not have time to live the next morning, see the next sunrise. Do not let someone else spoil your day. What happens, Saikat? You have been speaking very bad about me. तो हाँ, Saikat क्या करता है? उसको बुला के लेके आओ। किसको बोला? उसको बुला के लेके आओ। कोर्ट बिठा दो, कैचरी बिठा दो, पार्लियामेंट बिठा दो। No, immediately relax yourself and say, it's a bad day for you today. आज रहने देते, कल में बात करते। नहीं, अभी बैठो, ठीक है, तुम बैठो, मैं अभी आया. Move yourself, remove yourself from that place. Do not respond to any anger, mind, any angry mind immediately. Otherwise, relationship and the entire day becomes sour and bitter. Do not do that. Sachin Verma says, sir, after seeing motivational videos or sessions, we get motivated. But after some time, we get into the previous situation. How to get out from this? Sachin, such a waste of time when you get to see motivational videos. I've never seen that in my entire life. By the time, I think you should read a good book. I should suggest everybody, including Sachin Verma, who has spoken about motivational videos instead. That's a source of income of a different person. Huh? Remember Madan Kalra shouting and earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Nothing is happening in your life. But please understand to read a book called Ready, Study, Go. Ready, Study, Go is something which is very less expensive in Amazon, and read once and you see the entire life you can become a motivational speaker. So motivational videos देखना और देख के motivational videos देख के आप लोग motivated भी कैसे होते हो? मैं तो demotivated हो जाता हूँ, because मुझे लगता है अरे ये तो इतना पैसा कमा देता है, मैं तो यहाँ पे बैठ के इतना पैसा नहीं कमा सकता. So I think motivational videos has got nothing to do much with us. Sir, how to improve attitude? Biplab Biswas. Please understand, Biplab attitude has got two theories. The first theory is called cognitive dissonance theory. Biplab Biswas cognitive dissonance theory का मतलब क्या होता है? Cognitive dissonance का cognitive मतलब opinion, forming of an opinion or a belief. Dissonance का मतलब है disharmony. इस किस्म का attitude. अब क्या हुआ? Biplab Biswas smokes. अब this is just a metaphoric example. Huh? This is no way that I mean to say Biplab Biswas smokes. Biplab Biswas smokes, and before smoking, he has formed an opinion and a belief that tobacco causes cancer. अब जब वो सिगरेट का पैकेट खरीदता है, पैकेट के बाहर में भी भयंकर गंदा सा कैंसर का ट्यूमर लगा हुआ रहता है, फोटो लगा हुआ रहता है, उसके बावजूद भी बिप्लब बिस्वास सिगरेट पीता है, जानबूझ के गलती करना. That is called cognitive dissonance theory. क्लास में everybody has to be pin drop silence. अब इसके साथ में कोई मोबाइल में बात कर रहा है, कोई तो व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज भेज रहा है, कोई तो हंस रहा है, फिर टीचर ने गाली दिया. आपको पता था ना ये सब हरकत करने से टीचर गाली देगा, तो जानबूझ के हम लोगों ने किया क्यों? Cognitive dissonance theory. दूसरा is called self-perception theory. Self-perception theory क्या है? The way how you think about yourself, you portray yourself to be the same. And in the long run, you become the same person. बचपन से मैं कितना भयंकर खराब और मोटा था, सब लोग मुझे हाथी का बच्चा, गेंडे का बच्चा, हिपोपोटामस के बच्चा बोलते रहते थे और मुझे हमेशा इंफेरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स आ जाता था. So what happened was, I used to come back and stand in front of the mirror and ask the mirror, do I look that bad? The mirror used to say, no, damn handsome, very good, carry on the way how you are. And automatically I carried a celebrity mind. मुझे हमेशा लगता था I should be under a spotlight syndrome. एक बीमारी हो गया था. करते today actually I have become a celebrity. So the problem is however you portray yourself in front of the people or in front of yourself. That's what is called self-perception theory. So how to improve your attitude में Biplab Biswas के पास में the second kind of a theory. The second theory works out, which is called self-perception theory. Always look at yourself the way how you want to look other people to you as. बाकी दूसरे लोग आपको कैसे दिखे, आपको कैसा लगता है, वैसा ही कपड़े पहने, वैसा ही बात करे, वैसा ही डेवलप कीजिए अपना एटीट्यूड को, which is called the self-perception theory. And boys and girls, to all of us actually, apart from Biplab Biswas also, self-perception theory should be the thumb rule based on which we would be able to realize to recraft our attributes. Acha. Now, boys and girls, the most important professional techniques grooming का सबसे बड़ा चीज that you will suffer in organization is, let me see what Sudeep Kabiraj says. Sir, I think self-motivation is the best motivation, isn't it? Provided you know how to motivate yourself. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, Sudeep Kabiraj. Sudeep is very, very right that you get motivated by yourself. This is you today, who is not the same person who was yesterday. I am today very, very experienced. Just at 12:30 when I leave this platform, I'll also carry an important professional feather in my crown that I could meet 100 people from your team and your age group that I have been experiencing right now. Self-motivation is the only, it's not the best motivation, Sudeep. It's the only way how you think people should get motivated. Deep Mallo says, sir, mirror is the best way to improve our attitude and personality. Yes, absolutely correct. Now, the most important area when we talk about professional development and grooming is this thing that you should always remember. Overcoming malicious gossip. That is the difficult zone. Overcoming malicious gossip, and the second part is we call it as handling of fiery rumors. What is handling of fiery rumors and what is what is overcoming malicious gossip. Let's ask these two people who are there in front of me, Shoykot Chatterjee and Soumi Mondal. I would want both of you to unmute your audio and talk to me on a hypothetical situation. I'll give you. Now, Soumi Mondal and Shoykot Chatterjee works in the same office. Shoykot has a bike and Soumi Mondal stays in the same way where Shoykot's residence is. Shoykot stays in the same place, same area where Soumi also stays. Now, both of them works in the same office. So what happens is every time Soumi Mondal keeps on saying, Ki Shoykot, wait for me till the time 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, I finish my work and you drop me back. And Shoykot happily does that. And it's happening. Both the people go together. Both the people, come to the office together because they're on the same route. And the bike is the biggest problem. What happens is 10 other people in the office knits up a story. Shoykot and Soumi Mondal is actually, पता नहीं क्या है इन लोग का, हमेशा एक साथ ऑफिस में आना, हमेशा एक साथ ऑफिस में जाना. ये करते करते क्या हुआ, ऑफिस में ये चीज फैल गया. Shoykot and Soumi Mondal are in exclusively डिफरेंट टर्म्स. ये चीज जब सौमी या सैकत का कान में आएगा, उस समय में ऑफिस में शौकत एंड सौमी क्या करेंगे? लेट्स सी व्हाट दे से. बोलो.
Sir, I will try to manage my teammates.
मैनेज माय टीममेट्स का मतलब नहीं है समझ में. मैनेज इज अ वेरी वेग टर्म. शौकत खोल के बताओ की করবে.
Sir, I will tell the truth that just we are friends and we are coming from same place, so that's why.
That means Shoykot is actually clarifying. Shoykot will be clarifying the issue. Wonderful. Let's ask Soumi.
Yes, sir. I will.
Stop going with Shoykot in his bike.
Yeah.
Or what? Yeah. Okay. Let's ask Tiyas Nayak here. If Tiyas would have been in Soumi's place, what would have Tiyas done?
I don't know what will I do, but if anyone glad to help me, I will accept it.
The question was of not help. The question was of the rumor. The question was of the rumor. The question was not of the help. In that case, what do you do?
So I will go to office on my own. On my own.
सब लड़कियों का दिमाग एक ही तरह काम करता है. सौमी भी नहीं जाएगा इसका बाइक पे, Tiyas भी नहीं जाएगा इसका बाइक पे. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much to Tiyas, Soumi and Shoykot who had contributed. Wonderful. I'm very, very happy that you guys spoke. But I'll tell you, Shoykot, remember the thumb rule of handling fiery gossips and rumors is never to clarify a rumor. If you clarify a rumor, you are strengthening the rumor. এই যে সত্যি কথা বলেছি, দেখ কিরকম সাফাই দিচ্ছে, that is one thing. And if Soumi stops going in Shoykot's bike, এই যে সত্যি কথা বললাম ওর গায়ে লেগে গেছে, আজকাল যাওয়া বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে. ये सच बोला था ना मैंने, अब बाइक पे चढ़ना बंद कर दिया है. Never ever do this. Third चीज अगर करते हो आप, I care a damn. The way how I am, I'll continue the same way. Then also people will say, इतना shameless देखो, इतना बात सुना, उसके बावजूद भी इकट्ठा जाते ही रहते हैं. तो इसका हरकत कैसे, इसका खात्मा कैसे किया जाएगा? Understand, it's not your house. They are not friends. They are colleagues. And never make a colleague your friend. That is another difficulty you will bring in your life. टाइम कम है इसलिए हड़बड़ी करके मैं बेधड़क राजधानी एक्सप्रेस की तरह भाग रहा हूं. बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स है बोलने के लिए. फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू विल नेवर क्लैरिफाई अ रूमर बिकॉज क्लैरिफाइंग अ रूमर मींस स्ट्रेंथनिंग द रूमर. व्हाट विल यू डू? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इज सौमी एंड शौकत दोनों में से कोई एक आदमी तो सुना होगा ना, किसी ने कहा होगा, एक आदमी से तो सुना होगा. तुमको किसने कहा? तो वो बोलेगा मैंने नहीं, मैं तो इससे सुना था. तो इसको किसने कहा? उसको सुना था. सो कॉल फॉर एन ऑफिशियल मीटिंग. Call for an official meeting in front of everybody and say, शुरुआत तो हमारा साथ में ये हरकत राहुल चौधरी का था. राहुल ने ये चीज कहा और राहुल से पता चला, राहुल सेल्फ डिफेंस में कहेगा ना, मैंने नहीं कहा था, वो तो एक्चुअली मयंक ने कहा था, तियास ने कहा था, रोहन शर्मा ने कहा था, तब मैंने ये चीज कहा. तो everybody for their self defense area will open up and you will put it across officially and say this is a wrong information, we have got nothing personal, we are colleagues. अगर सौमी के जगह पे कोई और भी होता, उसको भी मैं लेके जाता उसी जगह पे, and we will keep doing the same thing. But the problem is these kind of rumors should not happen in an office. But लेकिन open office forum में including all the supervisory level को बुला के, नहीं बुला के कोई भी clarification करना is personal attack. That you will not do. and never ever put up a mail or a document. Mailing is another most important thing that boys and girls should understand. फटाफट WhatsApp में chat box में छोड़ दिया, WhatsApp में लिख दिया, फटाफट mail छोड़ दिया गुस्से के मारे में. Never, मुंह से कुछ भी बोल दो, doesn't matter much. लिखना मत. Supreme Court norms are there that these chat boxes, WhatsApp messages, mails are to be treated as official documents. So documentation के वजह से be very careful. Devakanta has said, sir, class English speaking की खूब important ना बोललाम तो एकेबारे नहीं. Sachin Verma says, sir, Ready Steady Go book is of which publication or author? I'll get you know. Before I finish it off, I'll let you know. This is with me right now. I'll tell you know. Batliwala, he's an IIT Madras graduate who wrote it. I'll just show it out. I'll just give it out to you. Just give me a moment's time. Just give me just a moment's time. Baba. Well, by the time the book comes in, we'll continue with the thing. Acha. Most important thing is professional grooming ke liye, the most important thing boys and girls should know, managing relationship with your bosses. How to manage relationship with your boss. This is Ready Steady Go. The publication, it is Khurshid Batliwala and Dinesh Godke. And the publication is, I forgot. HarperCollins Publishers. Ready Steady Goes this. Amazing book and a wonderful eye-opener. Do that. Sachin, I think I have answered your question. The most important area where we had stopped in right now is called managing relationship with your boss. What is managing relationship with your boss? Let us give an example right now. Let's ask this question to Sabina, the beautiful Sabina who was very, very sad in the beginning, but now she laughs. Now she smiles. Sabina, today is your boss's, a male boss. Today is your boss's, male boss's marriage anniversary. What would you gift him in the office if there's a chance like that?
Sir, I will gift him a flower bouquet or a watch.
Okay.
Like this.
Thank you so much, Sabina. लेकिन मुझे एक चीज पता नहीं चला सबीना, बॉस का शादी का एनिवर्सरी में तुम इतना खुश क्यों होगे? उसको खुद फ्लावर बुके और घड़ी देने के लिए तुम क्यों पागल होगे? उसका एनिवर्सरी इज अ पर्सनल मैटर. यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू गिफ्ट एनीथिंग, नो? सो दैट इज उसका मैरिज एनिवर्सरी मैंने पूछा किसके लिए है? बिकॉज मैरिज एनिवर्सरी इज अ वेरी वेरी पर्सनल अफेयर. इट्स नॉट अ बर्थडे. तुम उसमें फ्लावर बुके एंड वॉच अगर लेके जाएगा, सबसे पहले तो मैं तुम्हारा बदनामी छोड़ दूंगा. इसका तो बॉस के साथ में चक्कर चल रहा है, इसके वजह से गुलदस्ता लेके चली गई, घड़ी लेके चला गया. सो अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू मैनेज रिलेशनशिप विद द बॉस. इसके लिए मैंने बर्थडे नहीं कहा, मैरिज एनिवर्सरी कहा. मैरिज एनिवर्सरी इज समथिंग दैट इज अ वेरी पर्सनल अफेयर. वहां पे टू अ मेल बॉस, अ फीमेल कलीग, नो चांस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी विश करने का भी बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है इफ इट इज नॉट पब्लिक. अगर वो आ गया ऑफिस में अपने बीवी के साथ में सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, ऐसा अनप्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर कोई करता नहीं है. सबीना, प्लीज कीप ऑन लिसनिंग टू मी एंड कीप योर वीडियो ऑडियो म्यूटेड. अगर ऐसा कभी हो गया कि बीवी के साथ में ऑफिस में आ गया वो सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, तो हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी हम लोग मुंह से बोल सकते हैं. नो काइंड ऑफ गिफ्टिंग इज अलाउड. बट द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच कम्स इज अक्रॉस इज उसका बर्थडे. अगर उसका बर्थडे आया तो गिफ्ट क्या देगा? सो गिफ्टिंग पॉलिसीज एंड मैनेजिंग रिलेशनशिप विथ योर बॉस गोज पैरेलल. इसका जानना बहुत जरूरी है. परफ्यूम्स, गुलदस्ता कभी भी नहीं, नेवर एवर when it comes to male and female gifting policies. পামেলা ডাকছে, স্যার যখন আমরা দেখি কেউ আমাদের ব্যাপারে খারাপ কিছু বলছে, এমন কিছু বলছে যেটা আমরা করিনি, তখন আমরা কি তাকে ক্ল্যারিফাই করব, লিভ আউট? See, I'll tell you, Pamela, whose life is this? Pamela's life. Who has to be happy? Pamela has to be happy. Pamela को खराब किसने बोला? Somebody else's vision, somebody else's mission, somebody else's viewpoint. उसके ऊपर में मेरा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, मेरा कोई भी कंट्रोल नहीं है. So I think दूसरा किसी के वजह से हम अपना जिंदगी का एक भी मौका, एक भी मिनट खराब करें, that I'll not be able to suggest people. So boys and girls, please understand, never to do that. Pamela, never, ignore. अच्छा, one more thing, टेक्निकल चीज, एक चीज मैं बता देता हूं आप लोगों को. कहां गया? एक मिनट. There are two principles in business etiquettes. Two principles is called the golden principle and the platinum principle. हमेशा याद रखना ये दोनों चीज. Golden principles क्या कहते हैं? Treat others as you would like to be treated. इसको golden principles कहते हैं, है ना? Treating others as you would like to be treated. मुझे अगला कोई अच्छा व्यवहार करे तो I'll also be very good with him. मुझे अगला कोई खराब, I expect people to be appreciating me. Henceforth, I have to be appreciating them. Golden principle. Platinum principle is difficult and it will take some time and experience to reach there, which is called treat others as they would like to be treated. What is it is vice versa thing. Golden is from your end and platinum is thinking from the other person's perspective. ये दोनों चीज याद रखना. Platinum perspective is the most important area where you have to understand how the other person wants. Like let's talk of Aniruddha sir. Aniruddha sir knows very very well Anjan sir ke এইগুলো কথা বললে পরে he becomes happy. Anjan sir কে এইভাবে হ্যান্ডেল করতে গেলে he'll become happy. Anjan sir কে রাত্রে বেলা বাইক করে বেড়াতে নিয়ে গেলে he will be very very happy. So দুর্গাপুরে ঠান্ডার মধ্যে he carries me with his bike on his bike and we have a gala time moving around the marketplaces and the entire city Durgapur gives me immense happiness. अगर वहां पे मुझे बड़ा सा कोई गाड़ी भी डाल देता, I would not have been that happy as much as I am happy. Why? Because Aniruddha sir cares about my happiness. So golden and platinum principle, do remember it. Boys and girls, we stopped at one important area when we talk managing relationships with your boss, because he's somebody whom you can't change. And he's somebody who's expected to be the same as the way he is because he thinks he's correct. So you have to be very careful how to comply with his demands, terms and conditions. But one thing, never ever do not ever try share your experience, share your knowledge, do not correct him. सर मुझे लगता है ये गलत किया आपने, इसको ऐसा नहीं ऐसा कर सकते थे. Never do that. His ego will be hurt. And there are different kind of psychological disorders which will come down as a person in your life who would making your life miserable in professional areas. और अगर आपका ऑफिस बर्बाद हो गया तो आपका घर का लाइफ भी बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Don't do that. There are certain ethics that we have to understand. The first ethics in business grooming, in business etiquettes grooming, is called competition. What is competition? Being the best. Competition with whom? With someone next to you? No. Competition with yourself. How could you be better? How could you be the best? What you weren't yesterday. What you weren't 5 months ago. What you weren't 1 year ago. So that is about the competition. Never try to compare yourself with someone else sitting next to you. He and I come from the same batch, same marks. इसका pay structure ज़्यादा है, मेरा pay scale कम है. ऐसा क्यों है? So you will be sad. You will be dissatisfied. The second thing, very important, which you have to understand. I go down to many people's places. एक किसी का घर में गया, मैंने देखा वो आदमी ना स्टेट बैंक में काम करता है. वो आदमी स्टेट बैंक में काम करता है और उसके घर में इसके बच्चे है ना, बच्चे रफ कागज और जितने भी पढ़ाई लिखाई का कागजात है, रजिस्टर है, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया लिखा हुआ रजिस्टर में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. बहुत इतना मतलब पाइल्स एंड पाइल्स ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का रजिस्टर. तो मैंने उस आदमी को पूछा, स्टेट बैंक घर का बच्चा को पढ़ाई करने के लिए भी कॉपीज देने लग गया क्या आजकल? बोलते नहीं, ये तो मेरा ऑफिस में ही पड़ा था, हम लोग को ही देते हैं, हम लोग ऐसे ही ऑफिस की चीज उठा के घर पे लेके आ गए. सो ऑफिस का सामान घर पे उठा के लेके आना कानूनन जुर्म नहीं है. बट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज दिस, अ स्मॉल स्टोरी. वुड यू वांट टू लिसन? एक छोटा सा कहानी सुनेंगे?
यस सर.
एक बच्चा, एक बार क्या हुआ सुनो, एक बच्चा हमेशा स्कूल में ना चोरी करता था, हमेशा स्कूल का सामान चोरी करता था और टीचर इतना तंग आया, प्रिंसिपल के पास में लेके जाके बेधड़क धुलाई दिया, माँ बाप को बुला के ले गया. बोला, माँ बाप को बोला कि इतना चोरी करता है आपका बच्चा, आज तो पेंसिल चोरी करता है, कल तो ये चोरी करता है, परसों वो चोरी करता है. सो कुछ ना कुछ तो ये इसका गड़बड़ है, आप इसको रेक्टिफाई कीजिए, क्लासरूम डेकोरम खराब कर देते हैं. तो बोले सर कुछ अच्छा, Aniruddha sir, my time was a little less. I think I'm taking more time. So 5 minutes, 7 minutes extra. Will that be fine?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Now, बच्चा चोरी करता रहता, तो बोलो तो क्या करेगा? तो बोले कि इसका रेक्टिफिकेशन जरूरत होता है। तो बार बार चोरी किया तो एक बार प्रिंसिपल ने बोला लास्ट वार्निंग, अगली बार चोरी किया ना एकदम स्कूल से धक्का मार के निकाल देगा, टीसी दे देगा। बोले ठीक है नहीं करेगा। वापस एक दिन उसी बच्चा ने एक पेंसिल चोरी किया। जब पेंसिल चोरी किया तो साथ के साथ प्रिंसिपल बुलाया बाप को और बोला तुम्हारा बच्चा को तुम लेके जाओ, आपका बच्चा को हम लोग स्कूल में नहीं रख सकता, आपका बच्चा इज अ खतरा टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द अदर स्टूडेंट्स, विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू दैट। बहुत मिन्नतें किया लेकिन प्रिंसिपल उस दिन नहीं माना। बोला आपका बच्चा को घर लेके जाओ, हम लोग का स्कूल में हम लोग नहीं रखेंगे। लिसन टू माई स्टोरी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली। बच्चा को लेके जब वो आदमी घर जा रहा था तो बच्चा को पूछा तुमने पेंसिल चोरी क्यों किया? तो बोला मेरा पेंसिल खत्म हो गया इसके लिए मैंने चोरी किया, है ना? ध्यान से सुनना। फिर बाप ने बोला वो 2 बॉक्स ऑफ पेंसिल मैंने तो परसों ही ऑफिस से लाके दिया था, वो 2 बॉक्स का पेंसिल कहां गया? वो भी खत्म हो गया क्या? और वो कहानी यहीं पे खत्म हो गया है। समझ में आया आप लोगों को इस कहानी का मॉरल? आया? तियास समझ में आया? तियास उसका बाप ने चोरी करके ऑफिस से 2 बक्सा पेंसिल लाके दिया है तो वो तो चोरी करेगा ना। इट इज लाइक दैट। I always thought girls are smarter, but no, Saikat is much more smarter than Tiyas. Samik Bhattacharya writes, Sir, আমরা কিছু সময় নার্ভাস ফিল করি বা শাই ফিল করি, এটা কিভাবে কাটিয়ে ওঠা সম্ভব? বেসিক্যালি আমরা যখন অফিশিয়াল কাজ করি তখন নার্ভাস ফিল করি, এটা সলিউশনস। এইভাবে কোনো সলিউশন হয় না বাবা। তবে একটা কথা কি হয়, আমরা সবসময় নার্ভাস থাকি কেন? যাতে কাজ শুদ্ধ হয়, তাতে the work is correct, काम सही होगा। Because we will be evaluated and someone else might not be able to correct us. कोई अगर गाली दे देगा, कोई अगर मेरा काम से गलत हो गया, तो ये नर्वसनेस कभी ना कभी रहना भी बहुत जरूरी है। because in that case work also becomes very very strong and correct. erroneous काम कम होते हैं वैसे जगह पे। that could be one thing. ঠিক আছে স্যার, আমি যখন কোনো প্রোগ্রামে পার্টিসিপেট করি তখন খুব নার্ভাস হয়ে যাই, যেটা আমি পারবো জানি কিন্তু সেখানে গিয়ে আমার পারে না, এই নার্ভাসনেসটা স্যার কি করে কাটাবো? ঈশা চ্যাটার্জি, এটার জন্য একটা ক্লাস করতে হবে। তো আমি কি বলে ওটাকে, আসামে এখানে এটাকে কি বলে ওটাকে এসইসি বলে একটা প্রোগ্রাম আছে, স্কিল এনহান্সমেন্ট কোর্সেস এর আন্ডারেতে, ওটাতে আমরা এগুলো স্ট্রাকচার অফ স্পিচ শিখিয়ে দিই। ওটা একটু অনিরুদ্ধ স্যারকে বললে পরে যদি আমাদেরকে কোনো সময় সময় দেন, we will do that. Boys and girls will come back very shortly because সময় শেষ হয়ে গেছে। The second point we talk about is the Purana principle which we have learned in our life. Honesty is the best policy. बगैर honesty का कोई रास्ता नहीं है। And this is a thumb rule. Do not go by Bollywood movies. Do not go by jerks and gangsters जो बोलते रहते हैं honesty का जमाना गया and all those things. Rubbish. Honesty has been the best policy. Without honesty there is no way out. गलती किया है माफी मांग लो, लाख रुपए का नुकसान किया माफी मांग लो, किसी का खून करके आया एडमिट कर लो, गलत हो गया पनिशमेंट ले लो सर पे, फिनिश्ड। Honesty has to be the best policy. Be careful about it. Working hours in the initial stages of your life, अगर एक्स्ट्रा काम करने का घंटा बढ़ गया, आपका घंटे काम करने का वर्किंग आवर्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, डू नॉट टेक इट एज अ पैनिक, डू नॉट बी पैनिक स्ट्रिकन कि ज्यादा काम करा देता है। टेक इट एज अ बून कि ज्यादा काम करके आपको ज्यादा काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। पीपल हु वर्क मोर आर मोर इन्वॉल्व्ड विद इन द सिस्टम एंड दे लर्न बेटर वर्क। जो लोग घड़ी देख के आते हैं, घड़ी देख के चले जाते हैं, वो अक्सर बेवकूफ निकलते हैं। उनको अगर हम लोग टटोल के देखते हैं ना अंदर में माल मसाला कितना है, तब खाली हो जाता है। सो मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इन द बिगिनिंग डेज शुड ऑलवेज ऑल्सो बी अ वे फॉरवर्ड व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ लर्निंग बेटर वर्क एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स। Very importantly, try to avoid absenteeism during your probationary period. पहला 6 months is a reflection. आपको परमानेंट किया जाएगा कि नहीं किया जाएगा। आपको अगर परमानेंट करते हैं, किस किस्म का बीमारी आपसे हमारा कंपनी में आ सकता है, ये सब प्रोबेशन में दिखाई पड़ेगा। सो प्रोबेशन में कुछ भी करके let the organization not have a glimpse of your loophole and your flaws or your setbacks. And the last part is more important when we talk about regularity and attendance. इतना कम समय में ये सब चीज खत्म नहीं करवाया जा सकता है, but this is how it should be worked out. As much as possible, never try to be, absent or taking up leaves. एक तो प्रोबेशन में लीव्स भी नहीं होता, so pay deducted अगर छुट्टी काटवट देता है, that's not considered to be a very good sign in the beginning. ईशा चैटर्जी सर, আমি अच्छा হয়ে গেল। रोहन शर्मा says okay sir, Hollywood enjoy the work. Yes absolutely.
One last question.
বলো
স্যার, একটা কোশ্চেন আছে আমার। তো এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের এখন মানে যে সিচুয়েশন আমরা আছি, সেই সিচুয়েশনে যখন মানে একটা ক্লাসের মধ্যে কিছু স্টুডেন্ট থাকে যারা মানে একটু বেটার হয়, কিছু স্টুডেন্ট থাকে একটু তাদের থেকে একটু লোয়ার হয়। বাট এখন টিচাররা কি করেন, সেই বেটার স্টুডেন্টদেরকে মানে একটু বেশি প্রায়োরিটি দেন, এন্ড যারা একটু মানে কম স্টুডেন্ট বা যারা নর্মাল তাদেরকে একটু লোয়ার মানে কি বলবো প্রায়োরিটি দেয়। তো তখন কি হয়, যে লোয়ার কোয়ালিটি স্টুডেন্ট সে কি হয়, সে মানে একটু তার মোটিভেটটা আলাদা হয়ে যায়। তো এটার কি সলিউশন আছে?
এটার সলিউশন তো টিচার্সদেরকে দেওয়া আছে, টিচার্সরা জানেন, টিচার্সরা খুব ভালো জানেন এই ব্যাপারে। আমরা টিচার্সদের সঙ্গে অনেক কথা বলেছি এবং টিচার্সরা কি করতে পারেন সেই ব্যাপারে হয়তো বা আমি এই প্ল্যাটফর্মে কথা না বলে টিচার্সদের সাথে আমি আলাদা কথা বলবো। তবে একটা কথা, এটা একটা জেনারেল টেন্ডেন্সি অনেক সময় দেখা গেছে, উইথ ডিউ রেসপেক্ট এন্ড হাম্বল সাবমিশন, প্লিজ ডু নট টেক এনি অফেন্স এনি অফ দ্য টিচার্স হিয়ার। এটা অনেক সময় দেখা গেছে অনলাইনে একটা অবস্ট্রাকশন আছে, দেয়ার ইজ অ্যান অবস্ট্রাকশন ইন অনলাইন ইন টিচিং, যেখানে টিচার্স কমফোর্টেবিলিটি এন্ড ইকোলজিটাকে টিচার্স খুব সহজে বানিয়ে ফেলে। ডিড ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? তো সবগুলো বাচ্চা যদি মাথায় হাতে মিলায়, দ্য টিচার ইজ ভেরি ভেরি হ্যাপি। আর যে বাচ্চাটা স্ট্রাগলিং টু গেট ইনটু দ্য ইন্টারনেট, স্ট্রাগলিং টু গেট থ্রু দ্য আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং প্রসেসেস, ওনার জন্য মানে যদি একটা বাচ্চা বলছে স্যার আমি তো বুঝতে পারলাম না, সো টিচারকে আবার বোঝানোটা অনলাইন প্ল্যাটফর্মেতে টাইম লিমিটেশনের জন্য একটা প্রবলেম বলে মনে হয়, এড়িয়ে চলার একটা কি বলবো মানসিকতা হয়তো বা রয়ে গেছে। আমাদের বিসি রয়ের টিচাররা করেন কিনা সেটা আমি জানি না, তবে এটা অনেক জায়গায় দেখা গেছে। এই সমস্ত জায়গাতে ফ্লিপ ক্লাসরুম মডেলের জন্য টিচার্সরা যথেষ্ট পরিমাণে প্রশিক্ষিত, টিচার্সরা জানেন। যদি এরকম একটা ইস্যু থেকে গিয়ে থাকে আমি টিচার্সদের সাথে আলাদা কথা বলবো। তবে স্টুডেন্টসের জায়গা থেকে কি করা উচিত হলো, টিচার্সদেরকে একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করা উচিত, যদি উইকার সেকশন অফ স্টুডেন্টসের জন্য যদি কুশন ক্লাসেস ডিজাইন করা হয়, এনবিএ তে বা ন্যাকেতে কুশন ক্লাসেস এর মানে অবস্থিতি রয়ে গেছে, কুশন ক্লাসেস এর স্ট্র্যাটেজি, কুশন ক্লাসেস আর নট রেমেডিয়াল ক্লাসেস, এক্সট্রা ক্লাসেস ডিজাইন করা উচিত, যেখানে হয়তোবা এই সেগমেন্টের এই স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স এর স্টুডেন্টসদেরকে নিয়ে আলাদা একটা রিক্লারিফিকেশন করানোটা হয়তোবা খুব দরকার হবে। and that too not once in a month, at least twice in a month, but twice in a fortnight, মানে 4 বার মাসেতে, that has to be there. Sunday Saturdays যদি ইউটিলাইজ করতে পারা যায়, that has to be there. কিন্তু হ্যাঁ, রেগুলার ক্লাসরুম এক্সিকিউশনে অনলাইনে এই প্রবলেমটা আসাটা স্বাভাবিক বলবো না, বাট ইট কামস ইন আ ন্যাচারাল প্রসেস, এটা ডিনাই করা যাবে না, এটা কিন্তু আসে, এটা কিন্তু আছে। আরেকটা কথা আমি বলছি, যে আমাকে প্রশ্নটা করেছিলেন, আই থিঙ্ক দেবায়ন গোস্বামী হ্যাড আস্কড দিস কোয়েশ্চেন, ওর মধ্যে আরেকটা জিনিসও আছে, ম্যাক্সিমাম সময় দেখা যাবে স্টুডেন্টসরা ভিডিও মিউট করে না, স্টুডেন্টসরা মানে অনলাইন আছে কিন্তু যদি ডাকা হয় স্টুডেন্টসরা নেই, বলবে নেটওয়ার্ক আসেনি, আমি শুনতে পারিনি, এরকম ধরনের ফাঁকিবাজ স্টুডেন্টও আছে। সেখানে স্টুডেন্টসদেরকে কিভাবে টিচার্স হ্যান্ডেল করবে, এটা আরেকটা ক্রাইটেরিয়া, এটা আরেকটা পেইন।
শুধু অনলাইন বলে না, মানে স্যার এটা মানে কি বলবো, মানে এটা আমি কাউকে মানে থ্রো করছি না, এটা আমাদের অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়াতে এই প্রবলেমটা, আমাদের অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়াতে এই প্রবলেমটা হয়। তো এটার পরে মানে কিছু স্টুডেন্ট হয় তারা মানে একটু মেন্টালি একটু তারা উইক হয়ে যায়।
উইক হয় না, ওরা ডিপ্রাইভড হয়, ডিসকানেক্টেড হয়ে যায়, আমাকে তো পাত্তা দিল না, আমি তো বুঝলাম না, আমার দ্বারা বোধহয় জীবনে কিছু হবে না, আমি বোধহয় কিছু করতে পারবো না, ওরকম একটা এরকম একটা হয়ে আসে। এটা
এক্সকিউজ মি স্যার, স্যার অন Sir, I will request you to, as we are running short of time, I will request you to wind up the session.
Yeah, the last thing, Pradeep Kumar बोलते सर इंटरव्यू का माइंड कैसे डाइवर्ट करवा के कि वो जो मैं चाहूं उस टॉपिक पर क्वेश्चन पूछे। प्रदीप कुमार, इसका तो मेरे पास में भंडार है, लेकिन आज टाइम नहीं है। अनिरुद्ध सर के साथ में थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, इंटरव्यू स्किल्स का अगर कोई अलग से सेशंस करवाए तो उसका हम लोग वर्ल्ड टफेस्ट 38 क्वेश्चंस करवा के ये चीज मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि इंटरव्यूअर को ऐसा सवाल पूछवाए जो आप चाहते कि इंटरव्यूअर वैसा सवाल पूछे। इसका तरीका भी है, लेकिन ये आज के सेशन में मुमकिन नहीं है। आई थिंक दैट्स इट, सिंस द टाइम इज वेरी वेरी लेस, बट आई हैव टू एडमिट द एंटायर टॉपिक हैज नॉट बीन कवर्ड, टाइम वाज लेस, but this is a glimpse of how we can do this, how we can keep these parameters in priority. That much. Thank you so much everybody, and over to Aniruddha sir.
Thank you sir, thank you for this lovely session. Again, we don't want to stop this session, especially I don't want to stop this session, but because we are running short of time and you have some pre-committed session with some other colleges, so I don't want to waste your time. I will request now Mr. Shoham Bandopadhyay sir, HOD of CST department, to give his vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon to all. I, Shoham Bandopadhyay, is here to present the vote of thanks for today's excellent webinar, sir. Firstly, I would like to thank to our guest Anjan Chaudhary sir for his excellent session, which is not only can enrich the professional intelligence among the strategic implementation among the students, but also with the faculties enlightened with his remarkable knowledge sharing. Next, I would like to thank to our principal sir, Dr. Arindam Chakraborty, for his encouragement to organize such wonderful session. I would like to thank to our CST faculty and program coordinator for this session, Sri Aniruddha Bera sir, for his wonderful initiative to arrange such session. Most importantly, I would like to express my great expectation that the students should be very much benefited by this session. With that, I would like to end my speech here. Again, thank you to all.